Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 K10 and K20. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. To release the leaf spring hanger and crossmember, remove the bolts with a 14mm socket and the nuts with a 15mm wrench. Remove the bolts on the top and bottom of your frame, holding the crossmember in place. Then, spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Slide the rear frame section onto the frame and tap it into place using a hammer. Hold the included plate up to the frame to help with the alignment. Start by welding the front end of the crossmember into place. To ensure a tight fit, screw the two bolts on the end with a 15mm socket before welding the rest of the frame section into place. This will ensure a tight fit. Once welded into place, remove the two bolts using a 15mm socket. Our part features a plate to fit over your frame section to fit around the bend. Using a C-clamp to ensure a tight fit, tack weld your plate onto the frame. Finally, reinstall your leaf spring hanger using a 14mm socket for the bolts and a 15mm wrench for the nuts. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done.